Here's a quick little video on how to make a citation. First, go to easybib.com. It might look like this. If it does, click on I only want to create citations. Here, you're going to put in the website link. So I'm going to go back to my website, copy the link, Command C, and go back here. Put it in where it says source. I'm going to click on cite. As I'm waiting, be prepared that it might ask me for more information in case anything is missing. So this is what I want to cite, fake missing snowmobiler call. I'll click cite. So they show you they found a number of pieces of information. There's just one last thing they need to know. Who's the publisher or sponsor of the website? So it says edit on next step. So I'm going to hit continue. And for that publisher information, I'm going to just double check that it's actually CBC Radio Canada. So I go here, I'm going to go down to the bottom, and it's published by CBC Radio Canada. So it is correct. So I can go back here, everything looks right. I hit complete citation. Being created, just have to wait. And where is it? It's right here. This is it. So there's a couple things I can do. I can click on it and, oh, I thought it said copy. Anyway, don't click on it. Just highlight it. Oh, not like that. Okay, I'm going to highlight the whole thing. I'm going to copy it. And now I can drop it in my document. Command V, and there's my citation. I can put references, bibliography, sources. Any of those would be a good title. So just pick one, and there's my source or my citation in MLA 8. Easy peasy. Took me 2 minutes and 20 seconds.